Institute of Science, Education and Research conduct an entrance exam to provide admission to candidate in 5-year-long BS/MS dual degree program. On the basis of candidates' score in ISER, they can secure admission in top ISER colleges located in Bhopal, Kolkata, Mohali, Pune, Trivandrum, etc. It's an online mode of exam and the exam duration is of 3 hours. The exam medium is English and the total marks are of 180 marks. Details on ISER 2021. The Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research is going to conduct ISER aptitude test on September 17, 2021. The application form was released on July 1, 2021 and the last date to fill the application form is August 31, 2021. Admission process. The admission process are through 3 ways. The first one is through KVPY. For seeking admission through KVPY, candidates having a valid KVPY fellowship scorecard are eligible to apply. The second one is through JEE. Candidates belonging to general category have to secure a rank within 10,000 in the rank list of JEE Advanced can apply. And for those candidates belonging to OBC, SC and ST and PWD have to secure their category rank within 10,000 are eligible to apply for JEE. The last one is through SCB. Candidates are eligible those have passed 10 or plus 2 with science stream in 2020 or 2021. Those candidates can appear for ISER aptitude test. Exam pattern. Type of exam MCQ type. The number of questions is of 60 questions consisting of 15 questions from physics, 15 from chemistry, 15 from maths and 15 from biology. The total marks are of 180 marks. Candidates will be awarded 3 marks for each correct answer and there will be a deduction of 1 mark for each incorrect one. Total number of seats available. In ISER Bhopal, there are 260 seats are available. In ISER Pune, 200 seats. ISER Kolkata, 200 seats. ISER Trivandrum, 200 seats. ISER Mohali, 200 seats. ISER Tirupati, 125 seats. And last, ISER Berhampur, 100 seats. Application details. First, candidates have to fill their personal and academic details like name, the date of birth, category, name of parents, address, PIN code, mobile number, email ID, and the choice of ISER for admission. These are the first step for the application. The next step is fee payment. For general and OBC category, the application fee is rupees 2000. And for SC, ST, PWD category, the application fee is rupees 1000. The next step is to upload photograph. And the photograph must be a recent colored passport size photograph and the size should not be more than 1 MB. And the last step is to print the confirmation page. These are all the basic details regarding ISOR exams.